These types of videos are going viral extremely fast these days. Simple AI miniature rescue videos are getting thousands, even millions of views, and many creators are earning thousands of dollars from them. So, in today's video, I'll show you the complete process step by step so that you can create these viral videos yourself. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. First, open ChatGPT. Then go to the GPT section and search for Miniature Rescue Generator. Open the GPT and simply type Start. ChatGPT will suggest multiple video ideas. Choose any idea you like and search for it again. ChatGPT will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Copy the image prompt. Now, open Flow AI and go to the image section. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio, paste the image prompt, and click on Send. Within a few moments, Flow AI will generate a stunning, high-quality image for you. Download that image. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then, return to Flow AI, open the video section, upload the image you just downloaded, and paste the video prompt there. After that, simply click on Send. In just a few moments, Flow AI will generate your complete video. Download it, and that's it. Your viral AI miniature video is ready. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and become a part of our growing family. Your support means everything to us and motivates us to create even more amazing content for you. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comment section because every single comment inspires us to keep creating better videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.